Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see Gherkin keywords. So in our previous videos, we discussed about Gherkin, what is Gherkin, what is the purpose of Gherkin, why to raise Gherkin, how we will write Gherkin, all these things. And we discussed that there are some specific keywords. By using that, the line will start, then only Cucumber will understand. Right. So what are those keywords? We'll see here. So Gherkin has its own set of keywords and each keyword has its own meaning. Right. Then only you'll understand. So each line that is not a blank line has to start with a Gherkin keyword. That you are writing your feature file, there might be a blank line. You are using some one line to understand or to clear visibility. So apart from that, every other means if you have something written that should be start with Gherkin keyword followed by any text you like. All right, followed by any text you like, but the line should start with a Gherkin keyword. The only exceptions are the feature and scenario descriptions. So there are few exceptions. What is that? When you write feature, if you the feature will be a short description, right? If you want to elaborate that short description, then you can write some description. That description will not have any predefined keywords. The same thing applicable for scenario also. Apart from these things, eh, each and every line should have, right, the predefined Gherkin keywords. Then only it looks like the feature file and the Cucumber will understand. Okay. So the primary keywords are, so there are some predefined keywords. We'll see what are those. The feature, right? Like these are few, like this is a feature. Feature is a keyword. And then examples, sorry, example or scenario. So when you see some other videos or blogs, you will see scenario, but you can use example keyword also. Means you can use both, any one of these. If you say example, that is also considered as scenario, right? Most of the times you will see only scenario, but you will not see example. So we'll try to use both and mix all these things, and we'll see in our upcoming videos while we write some code. Okay. So but you need to remember that you can call scenario or example. And then given, when, then, and but. These are all steps, right? We are talking about some steps, right? So these steps will start with these keywords: given, when, then, and but. And again, one more thing is background. Okay, background. And then scenario outline. And the same way, what we said here, scenario will have scenario outline, but most of the people will not use example. And the same way, people will use scenario outline, not scenario template, but you can use scenario template also. So we'll try to use both in our upcoming videos. And apart from that, you'll have another keyword called examples. Okay. So these are all the keywords very frequently used in our in your feature file while you write Gherkin. Okay. And then there are a few secondary keywords as well. Okay. So I said those are primary keywords. Here you will have some secondary keywords. So when you say triple double quote, okay. So here triple double quote, that is called doc strings. Why we use doc strings? We will see in our upcoming videos exclusively. Okay. And apart from that, data table. So data table will be in the pipe symbol. Right. This is called pipe symbol. So to parameterize, to categorize your scenarios, you can use tags. Okay. And if you want to comment some code which should not execute, then you can use hash symbol comments. Okay. So these are all some secondary keywords we will use in your Gherkin feature file. Okay, so these are all primary keywords and these are secondary keywords. So we will discuss each and everything in detail in our upcoming videos, but here simply this is all about Gherkin keywords. Okay, you need to remember these things. So that's all in this video. Thank you.